Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to use the word noch in a sentence. This video is split into two parts. In the first part we are going to learn in which situations to use the word noch, and in the second part we are taking a look at some examples. The German word noch means in English still. It's used when we are talking about a continuing process, when we believe that something will still happen, when something is still left, when we want to express that something is additionally available, when we want to amplify an increase, and if we want to express a comparison with others. Let's take a look at some examples. So as said before, the word noch is used when we are talking about a continuing process. So one example for a continuing process is Ich lerne noch. Ich lerne noch means I'm still learning, so the process is not finished by now. Another situation when we use the word noch is when we believe that something will still happen. For example, Hoffentlich kommt Liz noch. Hoffentlich kommt Liz noch means hopefully Liz will still come. Noch is also used when we want to express that something is still left. For example, Ich habe noch 2 Äpfel übrig. Ich habe noch 2 Äpfel übrig means I still have 2 apples left. It's also used when we want to express that something is additionally available. For example, Haben Sie sonst noch einen Wunsch? Haben Sie sonst noch einen Wunsch means do you still wish anything else? We can also use this word for amplifying an increase. For example, es kamen noch mehr Leute als erwartet. Es kamen noch mehr Leute als erwartet means there were even more people than expected. Noch is also used when we want to compare something with others. For example, Lee singt noch besser als Harry. Lee singt noch besser als Harry means Lee sings even better than Harry. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time.